Hello, everybody. My name is John Dermeyer, and I'm a kinesiology major. And I am a senior here at Baptist University. And like many of you, I started the kinesiology program wanting to be a physical therapist. I have 8 years of experience as a physical therapy aide, and also I'm a massage therapist. And throughout my time at Cal Baptist, I've actually decided that I'm not going to pursue physical therapy. I do have the grades to make it, but it would be my second career, and it's a physically demanding job that I, I'm looking. I'm not looking to do something like that into my late 60s. So um, I've changed my mind, and I think that I'd like to become a teacher and get my teaching credential. In the ops program, I've learned a lot about online education, and it's opened up a new window that I wouldn't have thought of unless I was pursuing my degree online. So that's an exciting new field, and I think it's an area that will grow a lot. So um, that's what I want to do for my career. And as far as hobbies that um, I have a boat, and my family, we take it out on the ocean and go whale watching and looking at dolphins. And that's probably my biggest hobby. I also love sports. I'm a big Lakers fan, and I'm a family man. I have a beautiful wife and two young kids, so they take up most of my time and doing activities with them. I'm looking forward to this class and working with each of you. Thank you. Have a good one.